Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you 10 lines on Nelson Mandela. Before we begin with our today's video, let's look at some of the most famous quotes by Nelson Mandela. So the first quote is, "It is easy to break down and destroy. The heroes are those who make peace and build." And the second quote is, "Education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world." So now without wasting any time, let's get started with today's video. Nelson Mandela was a South African politician and activist. He was born on 18th July 1918 at Mvizo, South Africa. As a child, he was actually called Rolelala. When he was 7, a teacher gave him the name Nelson and it stayed with him his entire life. His father's name was Gadla Henry and mother's name was Noskenny Fanny. Mandela began studying law where he was the only black African student and faced racism. He served as the president of African National Congress (ANC) from 1991 to 1997. Mandela won the general election in April 1994. He was made the first South African president elected completely by democratic election. He was the first black president of South Africa. Mandela was awarded the Nobel Peace Prize for his influential work. He died on 5th December 2013, aged 95, at Johannesburg, South Africa. Thank you so much for watching this video. If this video was helpful for you, then please like and share my video with your friends. And also don't forget to subscribe my channel. Bye bye and take care. And now I will meet you in my next video.